how to register and complete your tax refund application, open your mobile browser, go to www.rttax.com. Once the site loads, tap on Register for Service. Then select your citizenship. Now choose the country where you worked and confirm that you accept the privacy policy. You can also choose to receive news and updates about your tax refund. Next, choose how you'd like to continue, either with Google or with email. If you choose email, add your email and tap Continue. Check your inbox for a confirmation message and tap the link to verify your account. After verification, enter your personal details and tap Continue. Once you're logged in, complete the registration form. And tap Next. Now enter your tax return information. Be sure to provide your correct Social Security number. Then tap Next. Next, fill in your employer details. If you have your W-2 form, upload it now. If you don't have it yet, you can upload it later. It's usually issued in January. If you still don't have it by February 15th, don't worry. RTTax can help you find it. Once all sections are completed, tap Finish and Sign. You can review your information or download the document package to double-check. If everything looks good, tap Continue by signing. You'll be redirected to DocuSign. Agree to the terms and tap Continue. Then tap Next to go through each page and hit Sign. Place your signature. Select Adopt and Sign, and the system will guide you through each required signature spot. When done, tap Finish. After signing, you'll return to your RTTax account. Now it's time to upload your required documents. Tap Choose File, select your document, and tap Upload. If you don't have all documents ready, you can upload them later. Once your documents are reviewed, your refund situation status will be updated in your account. And that's it. You've successfully registered and submitted your documents for your RTTax refund using your mobile